Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making watercolor monsters. Begin by taking 2 circle stickers and sticking them in the middle of the page. These will become your monster's eyes. Next, pick several colors that you will use for your monsters and put a few drops of water in each of them. You want your paint to be very runny for this project. Apply some very wet blobs of color around and on top of the stickers. Next, use your straw to blow the color towards the edge of the page. Add more color at any time if you need to. Let your paint dry overnight. When the paint is dry, peel the stickers off and you'll be left with 2 white eyeballs. Using a pen, give your monster eyes, a mouth, legs, and arms. Look at the handout for inspiration. A white gel pen can be used to fill in the teeth. Your watercolor monster is done.